Hi, this is Sharon. Welcome to my channel. This is going to be an unboxing of YarnYay's September subscription box, and I will have all the information in the description box of how you can subscribe to get your own box or just buy this box if that is of interest to you. Vicki does have a code, First YarnYay, to get 15% off, and I'll have that information as well in the description box for you. Please make sure to give this video a like, make sure that you are subscribed, and click that notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a video. And now let's see what's in this box. Okay, and this time our paper is print work, so that should give us some kind of clue as to what's going on inside the box. And well-read headbands. Oh, and it's got a little clip on it. How cute. Okay, so this is a headband pattern, and obviously, as I've said in every box, there's a crochet version and a knitted version, and in this case, both look very similar to each other. And that's what I really enjoy about her boxes, is that you can choose whether or not, if you do both knitting and crocheting, you can choose whether or not you want to do the knit project or the crochet project, or if you'd like to do both, you can always order another box and make both projects. And if you are a knitter, then obviously you would do the knit patterns, and if you're a crocheter, obviously you would do the crochet patterns. But she gives both so that anyone can enjoy these boxes. And here's our beautiful yarn, Blue Sky Fibers in Woolstock Tweed. It's 100 grams, 109 yards, and 100 meters. And it's 85% fine Highland wool and 15% Donegal, whatever that is, I don't really know. But it's beautiful. I know there was 2 different fibers, and I'm glad that I got this one. This one will definitely look better with my complexion, so I was glad to get the darker shade. Next is this olive wood bowl, and each one is a little bit different. They're all unique in style, and these are just a notions bowl. You could put stitch markers in it, paper clips, whatever, you know, helps to support your project. And this Peaceful Spirit tea, an uplifting aromatic blend to raise your spirits and warm your soul. It's an herbal tea blend, and it is caffeine free. And it has the ingredients here, which I'm glad to see. And going along with that book and print theme, this is a card, and this was patented in 1937. And it looks like a combination of a Tunisian crochet hook and a knitting needles. Now I'm blanking out on the term when you have the cable needle. There you go. No, not a cable needle. You know what I mean if you're a knitter. I don't know why I'm blanking out on the terminology, but that's really cool. And then inside it says knit happens. That's Vicki's sense of humor, and the patent press in the background. So this is really cool. I don't think I'm going to use any of the cards that they gave me. I'm going to keep them as just gifts for myself, maybe frame them or something like that. But this is definitely another cool box. And like I said, there's always some really interesting notions and findings in the boxes that Vicki does. So you're not just getting a pattern, you're getting the yarn along with it and other things to go with that. And that's what makes these boxes really special. So I hope you enjoyed this unboxing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.